Hi there, Reynaldo here. Today I'm gonna record pretty much the way how I trade. As you can see here, and that based on the timestamp, 2:38 in the afternoon, and my normal time is between 2 to 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, so that's between 5 to 6 Eastern Standard Time. Um, the reason why I'm doing this is because a few people, pretty much a few of the members, were asking like, how do I trade or what time frames? But obviously, this is me. This is the way how I trade. You don't need to follow the way how I trade. It is imperative part of your trading profile that you should technically really know what type of trader that you are, either a swing trader or a momentum trader or a day trader or even a position trader. In this particular case, I'm a swing trader all the way to as a trend follower, and so my time is between 2 to 3. I just came back from training, so normally between 1 to 2, but if I miss that time slot, then 2 to 3 p.m. is my time. So 2:39 we have I have 20 minutes pretty much to look at everything. So from last night's live trading classes, we pretty much established already what the reports are going to be, and you can see through here that the unemployment claim is pretty good. 359,000 compared to 378,000. Italian 10-year bond or the bond itself, no change pretty much. There's no forecast, and you have the final GDP negative 0.4, hence the pound went up. Likewise for the current account. And the rest, pending home sales minus 2.6 at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The time over here is everything's all 10 a.m. Or all Eastern Standard Time. So the following trades or reports that were about to happen is we have the Kiwi, the pound is yellow, nothing much. We have the yen, household spending, Tokyo, core CPI, unemployment rate, preliminary industrial retail sales, and private sector for the Aussie. So those are the news that are about to happen. Okay, let's go through what happened in the marketplace. Let's refresh that, and so you can see the market is up 72 points today, 0.54. Nasdaq was more than that, more than 1% today. Okay, so let's go through looking at the dollar index. And the dollar index, we can see through here that the retracement definitely already has happened. So if you were at the live trading class last night, that's not it. Sorry. So we pretty much established that the retracement already occurred in terms of from here, first low retracement, since the downtrend from here to here, even from the low from there to there. Okay, what's the low of that one? 78.60, 79.18, so not quite. So from the low is a little bit higher compared to that. From here to here, currently it's a downtrend, so the odds and probability for the continuation for the dollar index to drop is more than likely, then therefore the odds and probability that the markets will continue to go further to the upside for another push to create a new higher high is more than likely to happen. So if I go through looking at the Dow for now, looking at the index, and voila. Okay, let me find the low of that. 13.523, 13.5, 251, 253, 251. So that is lower. High. So on the spot, 62%, 13,004. Bingo, pow. Currently now on the rebound, higher highs, higher lows. Odds and probability for this to have another push to the upside is more than likely to happen in order for the trend to continue to the upside. So if I cut across through there, in actual fact, let's let us be objective. 1, 2, now 3. Right, so 1, 2, 3, rebound, next level, to create new higher high is more than likely to happen. So it's in an uptrend, we can't ignore that. So in other words, it goes with the correlation, the inverse correlation with the dollar index, which is great. Right, now that we've found that, that's pretty much it for the macro fundamental things. Uptrend, rebound. Let's go through and analyze some trades. Right, go through euro dollar quickly. Nice. So from this point onwards, also in an uptrend, odds and probability for this to continue further is more than likely to occur. Okay, I will take that because from here cutting that low, right, and then a retracement. I will no longer take that because it broke through. I will take this 50%. Currently I'm sitting back to 38.2 odds and probability. So in terms of retracement level to create a new high is more than likely. So there's one. Okay, dollar yen. Longer term still pretty much in this trade, so I will leave that. Pound dollar. Very nice. Okay. Very clearly higher lows. Didn't want to fulfill that. Currently now we are in that level right here, cutting across through there. Higher high, higher low, next level higher high. Bulls are currently way too strong. Odds and probability to continue above the 63 is more than likely to happen, which I currently do like. Okay, pound dollar, actual fact went in already, just being patient at the moment. Dollar Swiss, very nice. Primary, secondary, didn't want to go above it, so lower lows, lower highs, lower low, continuation pretty much to the downside, and that's way too big right there. 38.2, almost touched 50%, back down to 38.2 in terms of retracement. Aussie USD, dollar CAD, we have a bearish engulfing at the moment, so it doesn't want to go beyond further, reaching the level of supply at the moment. Likewise, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Kiwi dollar being the leading indicator at the moment, the leading pair as I call it. So 2 days ago there was already a reversal for that. Higher high, higher low, nice big push. Odds and probability to push and create new highs more than likely to happen. So we can't ignore the fact that it's also an uptrend, and yes, there is also a lot of empty space through here. But if okay, here's a caveat. If by tomorrow doesn't want to surpass the last high, then back to the short to head back up here. But other than that, very strong. Bulls are currently in control. Odds and probability to create new highs back to 84 is more than likely to happen. Alrighty, Euro Pound. Euro Pound, very nice. A lot of long wave dojis at the moment. So a lot of dojis, a lot of it's running out of steam. Currently for last low, still pretty much in an uptrend after the breakout through the primary downtrend, higher high, higher low. You'll see certain reversals there pretty soon too. Euro yen, you can see through there, back to the level of demand. Okay, I will be more objective now from there. Very nice in an uptrend. Okay, pretty neat. Back through there, low risk, high probability trade. Okay, pound yen. Likewise with the pound yen, awesome. One primary, secondary, higher highs, higher lows, correction. We're currently going to have a continuation at the moment, back to the level of demand. Perfect. Okay. weekly. Alright, on the weekly, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, correction, continuation. Even though it's going to have probably an M2 right there, but of a reversal pattern. But we need to see on a bigger perspective on a monthly. Bingo. So odds and probability definitely for this to head back up to the upside is more than likely. Let's go through the euro yen quickly. Same, very nice. Weekly, at the same time, higher high, higher low. So already corrected itself. Odds and probability is very high, the risk is pretty small. Okay, let's go through method 2 quickly. Euro yen, so saying the oversold. Go through daily briefly. Overbought, oversold as well. Sorry, and the other one is overbought. Pound yen. Okay, this one's also hitting towards the oversold, but no setups. Go back to euro dollar quickly too. From there, none. So it currently in a crossover, but there's nothing, no setup. Dollar yen, no setup. Pound dollar, no setup. Back to the 50%. Dollar Swiss, overbought. Aussie dollar, very nice, but no setup. Dollar CAD, overbought. Kiwi, heading up back there. And euro pound, oversold as well, but there's no setup. Okay, method 3, looking at daily, none. Okay, I'm sorry, let's start from the top. Euro dollar, part of the entry right there, so still pretty much below data 10, but there's no setups. Dollar yen, same, no setup. Pound dollar, now currently above the 8 of the 10. Yesterday was actually even an entry, so odds and probability that will be a failure is more than likely, since in the level of supply in an uptrend. Dollar Swiss, none. Okay, it's still above the 8 of 10. Aussie USD, crossing above the 8, currently first time above the 8 of the 10. Dollar CAD, almost touching the 8 of 10, so nothing. Kiwi, bingo, we have an entry later on, actually tomorrow. Euro pound, nothing. Euro yen, nothing. And the pound yen, nothing either. Alright, so in terms of entry points, back to method number 1. Okay, let's go through here. Choose back to the pound yen once again. Currently pretty much still in the trade. So part of the notes, since that's not closed. $27.12, going to buy more based on the uptrend. low risk, high probability trade. Standard one. $26.04. Well, 25.33. And 25.33. In actual fact, 26.08. Sorry, 26. Make sure it was on the asking price. 25.36. 36, 126.08. Change the calculation. So 2 pips. Okay, 1236 GBPJPY. That makes sense. 127.50. We'll put 8 mini contracts. Six. $35.36, 33, 29. I'll put that on 25.29 actually. 25.29. Okay. Put the limit for now. Minimum target one. Everything 127.66, and then I'm gonna change that shortly. Okay, done. So we have our stop loss right there. We have it's a 2-to-1 relationship. Main target point to sell everything at 127.68. So if you're wondering why this one, the reason we need to put it the buy. So the low of this is 125.33 minus the spread. Okay, that is it. That's it for the trade. Okay, in terms of the notes, so what if then if I'm gonna buy a new one based on the euro yen? Okay, let's go through euro yen, because the euro yen is also pretty good in terms of the trade. High, low, pretty much on the same. From that low surpasses, but everything is pretty much in an uptrend so far. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna create new, so you can basically see how I do it pretty much. Okay, let me save this. So actually I'm going to buy more based on uptrend. Okay, I'm gonna resave that. Save as $927.12 EURJPY. Click that to save. So currently the date is now 27. Pair EURJPY. Consistently any market condition. How do I feel? Calm, focused, disciplined, values and belief. Value of integrity. I believe I'm the best trader in the world. Before our emotions, before calm and focused, during nothing. Okay, based on macro fundamental things, euro, yen, there's really nothing. Markets, in an uptrend and rebounded from continuation to the upside. Swing method, yes. The generalized stop down, yes. What is the trend? Trend is an uptrend. It's in a demand. Daily demand based on price and reason control. Bulls. Long time frame market price. Okay, let's go through, look at the entry. I need to find out first. Based on a euro, yen, current 100.22, 100.25, 99.65, 99.60, 100.25. Zero 2 5 99 point. Still low. These guys 65, 62, 59, 59, 66 pips. Euro. No, it's at 1288. It's a little bit higher. Okay, also 8. Just to minimize, go put 6 by. Okay, 99.59. 59 minimum target 101.57, 01.57. Perfect. Okay, there is the target, to our main target, and we can just basically play it to the upside and move it as it moves along. Okay, let's go back now then through that one. Long market 10. Okay, this 100.25. Okay, I'm just using, just use 5%. 4% based on that. Stop loss point was at 99.59. 99.59. You're willing to listen to yes. Major profit target is a 101.57. 101.57, which and then we could be moved later on. Okay. Save as image. EURGBP 927. Oops. 092712. Oh, sorry about that, folks. Good pictures. ESTE trading charts. EURJPY. 092712. Save and PAL. Insert picture. Okay, let's go through details. Nice. Okay, there it is. Let's delete that. Okay, and then we just save. There, 9 euro yen, press save. Then we're done. Okay, so that's how pretty much the way how I look at my trades. So we had 20 minutes, less than 20 minutes pretty much, analyzing and no thinking. And all we gotta do now is just be patient. We close our computer screens and let the market do its thing. Alright guys, that is it for me. Take care till next time. Happy trading. Hope that helped anyway. Take care. Bye.